Hello, heel lovers. Welcome back to my channel. How are you all doing today? High heels, there's just something magical about them. They're bold, they're timeless, and they instantly elevate any outfit. When you slip on a pair of high heels, it's not just about the height. It's about confidence, power, and elegance all in one. Whether you're dressing up for a glamorous night out, making a statement at work, or simply looking to add a touch of sophistication to your everyday look, high heels have the ability to transform your entire vibe. From stilettos to block heels, there's a perfect pair out there for every occasion. And today, we're going to dive into the must-have high heels that should be in every fashionista's collection. These shoes aren't just about style. They're about creating that perfect combination of confidence, comfort, and grace. So get ready, because we're about to step up our fashion game together. Now, let's talk about heels. When it comes to footwear, finding a perfect balance between comfort and style is key. Whether you're heading to a casual outing or a more formal event, the right pair of shoes can elevate your entire look while keeping your feet happy. Opting for versatile shoes that offer both support and on-trend designs means you don't have to compromise on either. From sleek flats to statement heels, there's a pair for every occasion. Investing in quality shoes ensures that your feet feel great all day, allowing you to confidently tackle anything that comes your way. Whether you're strolling through the city or dancing the night away, comfort and style go hand in hand. Thank you for watching the video, and don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment for more style inspiration.